What if you could drop your raw footage into an editor, click one button, and instantly get a polished first draft? That's exactly what Adobe is rolling out with Firefly's AI-powered video editing tools. And this could dramatically change how creators and businesses produce content. In this video, I'll break down what this new feature does, how it works, why it matters for creators and marketers, and whether it actually saves you time. Let's dive in. Adobe's Firefly AI is expanding beyond images and generative graphics. It's now stepping directly into video editing. Inside Adobe Premiere Pro, Firefly can automatically analyze your footage and generate a structured first draft edit. Instead of manually scrubbing through clips, finding usable takes, cutting awkward pauses, organizing B-roll, and adding basic transitions, the AI handles the heavy lifting. It builds a rough cut based on scene detection, audio clarity, speaker emphasis, motion analysis, and contextual understanding of your content. You start with structure instead of starting from scratch. Here's what happens behind the scenes. You import your footage. Firefly scans and tags your clips automatically. It identifies key moments, strong delivery, clean takes, emotional emphasis. It organizes content into a coherent timeline. It applies intelligent cuts, basic transitions, and pacing. The result? A rough edit that would normally take hours, delivered in minutes. This isn't the final cinematic masterpiece, it's your first draft, but that first draft is often the most time-consuming part of editing. For YouTubers and content creators, you can batch film and let AI handle initial assembly. For agencies, you reduce labor hours on rough cuts. For small businesses, you no longer need deep editing expertise just to get started. This changes the cost equation of video production. Instead of paying for manual assembly work, editors can now focus on story refinement, emotional pacing, advanced color grading, and sound design. AI handles the mechanical work. Humans handle the creative polish. What makes Firefly powerful is that it's built directly into Adobe's ecosystem. That means seamless integration with Premiere Pro, access to Creative Cloud assets, AI-generated B-roll, automated captioning, and intelligent reframing for vertical formats. And because it's native to Adobe tools, you're not exporting to a third-party platform and back again. The workflow stays clean. This isn't about replacing editors. It's about eliminating friction. The most expensive part of creative production is time. And if AI can remove 40 to 60% of early-stage editing work, the economics of content creation shift dramatically. We're entering a world where the barrier to professional quality video is dropping fast. You should be paying attention if you run a YouTube channel, manage paid ads, create client videos, produce social media content, or run a business that depends on video marketing. Because faster iteration means more testing, more content, more data, and lower cost per result. Adobe Firefly isn't just generating images anymore. It's stepping into automated video production, and that's a major shift. The question isn't whether AI will change editing. It already is. The real question is, will you use it to move faster than your competition? If you found this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe. And I'll keep breaking down the AI tools that are changing how we create, market, and grow. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.